Today we are learning about society, the first topic in the Jkssb supervisor syllabus. I have prepared smart notes because smart and hard work led to success. Remember, be cautious of YouTube videos promising 100% selection. Only hard and smart work truly pays off. Let us not waste time and begin our learning journey. These YouTube videos which promising 100% selection are wrong numbers. Remember, these are wrong numbers and don't waste your time. Be smart, work smart. Let us start our journey. Today's topic is about society. Let us see what is actually society. What different thinkers of sociologist, anthropologist said about the society. The very first definition of society is a system of usages and procedures, authority and mutual aid of many groupings and divisions of controls of human behavior and of liberties. This very definition was given by MacIver and Page. Remember, when you see usages and procedures, authority and mutual aid, connect it with the author MacIver and Page. What MacIver and Page wanted to say us, he conveyed that society is a system of usages and procedures, rules, norms, customs, authority and mutual aid of many groupings and divisions of controls of human behavior and of liberties. He tried to explain that society is like a big organized group where people follow rules, respect authority, help each other, and have different groups with their own rules. It is a mix of guiding how people behave and giving them freedom. Next definition of society is the union itself. Society is the union itself. It is union, the organization, the sum of formal relations in which associating individuals are bound together. This definition was given by Giddings, and he tried to explain it as that society is a union itself. So society is like a team where everyone is connected through rules and organized relationships. It is the overall structure that holds individuals together in a community. Let us move to next definition, which was given by Ginsburg. A society is a collection of individuals united by certain relations or modes of behavior which mark them off from others who do not enter into these relations or who differ from them in behavior. What Ginsburg wants to say is said society is a group of people who stick together because they share common ways of acting or relating to each other, making them distinct from those who don't have these shared behaviors. A society may be defined as a group of people who have lived long enough to become organized and to consider themselves and be considered as a unit more or less distinct from other human units. This definition was given by John F. Kuber. He said, that a society is a bunch of people who have been around for a while, who have lived long enough, organized themselves, and see themselves as a group separate from others. Others make other societies. The term society refers not to group of people but to the complex pattern of the norms of interaction. Society is not only the group of people but the relations which they keep. The term society refers not to group of people but to the complex pattern of the norms of interaction that arise among and between them, given by LaPiere. And he said that society does not just mean a group of people. It is about the complicated set of rules and behaviors that develop among and between those peoples. That is why society is termed as group of relationships. Society may be defined as a total complex of human relationships insofar as they grow out of action in terms of mean and relationship, intrinsic or symbolic. Two types of relationships are there, intrinsic or symbolic. This definition was given by Parsons. What Parsons said? Society is all the complicated connections people have with each other, whether it is practical actions shown or symbolic expressions, only expressions, forming a complex web of human relationships. Society is a complex of forms or processes, each of which is living and growing by interaction with the others, the whole being so unified that what takes place in one part affects all the rest. This very important definition of society was given by Cole. What he tried to explain that society is like a living puzzle with various parts constantly interacting and growing. Each piece influences the others, creating a unified whole. What happens in one part affects the entire society, making it a dynamic and interconnected system. Next definition of society by GDH Cole. Society is the complex of organized associations and institutions within the community. It is complex of organized associations and institutions within the community. What GDH Cole wanted to say? Society is a collection of organized groups, associations, and institutions within a community. These associations and structures form a complex system that shapes how people live together, creating a shared framework for interaction and cooperation. Society includes not only the political relations, remember, by which men are bound together, but the whole range of human relations and collective activities. This definition was given by Lavick. What he tried to explain that society encompasses more than just political connections. It involves the entirety of human relations and collective endeavors. It goes beyond governance to include the broad spectrum of interactions, shared activities that unite individuals. Remember, from personal relationships to collaborative efforts, society encapsulates the multifaceted web of connections that shape communal life. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe.